And guys, don't forget to check out g2a.com for the cheapest CD keys available for all different platforms: Xbox, PSN, PlayStation. I'll leave the link. Yo guys, AK here, back to making another YouTube video, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review, a tech one, of the probably like the ultimate $50 gaming keyboard by Corsair, which is the Corsair K55 RGB gaming keyboard. $50 for a gaming keyboard. Well, it's membrane though, but yeah, $50 is freaking amazing by Corsair. Corsair's like probably the top brand, maybe with Razer, Corsair, SteelSeries, like the top 3 brands. Logitech as well, top 4 then. But yeah, they're the best like gaming brands, and to get a $50 keyboard with RGB, fully fledged, it's amazing. We're gonna get into this unboxing of it, and then we'll review it. So yeah, before I start, I want to tell you, if you haven't already smash the like button on this video, go ahead and do that, and you can check out my Iraq vlogs, which I'm going to film after this, but they should come out before this. But anyway, you can go check them out in the card. My birthday haul, which is where I got this K55 bad boy, in the card as well. Links to this in the description down below, and let's unbox this. Right guys, this is the keyboard here. I'm just going to move the speakers out the way, and yeah, let's start unboxing this. This is like the gaming keyboard that I got like as my birthday kind of present. Can you open that there? Yes, we can. Oh no, I can't. We have to open these. So obviously, you know, Corsair, one of the world's best gaming brands, which I'm guessing is why you're watching this video, because you're thinking of buying a new gaming keyboard, or you want to know how to use your own gaming keyboard, or watch, like, you know, what I do to make myself feel better is I watch reviews of something I just bought, so you know, I can feel good about getting it. So inside of it, you can see this is what it has. I'm just going to take this out. Okay, can we get this out? God, it's massive. We don't have any more space for this. I don't know what to do with that. I'm just going to put it over there. Alright, so let's carry on going through this. You get your... Let's take this off. Yeah. I think that's the what we're supposed to do. Oh god. This is the included wrist rest, so yeah, that's good. And this is how you get the warranty guide and its instructions or whatever out. And yes, this is the best in the box. So just, yeah, that's the unboxing part. Right guys, so it comes to the review part of the video. I've just unboxed this thing and my room is like messy AF because of all these unboxing videos that I have to film. I'm getting so hot with these unboxings, I just want to wash my face. I've been testing out the keyboard. Just on the top, obviously you've got the, fine, let me just talk about it. So, first impressions on the keyboard are bloody amazing. This is one of the best the best keyboard I've ever had, because I really don't have any keyboards. But yeah, I really love it. It's going to be part of my new gaming setup, and I'm working on that right now. But anyway, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Obviously, insert the B-roll right now, and it looks pretty nice. There's an included wrist rest, but I'm going to show that later. Connected. So as you can see right here, you just have to peel that little sticker off, and then you get a nice and better, like, smooth surface without the sticker thing on. You've got the Corsair logo at top. It's not the one that they used to have for the 2014 stuff, the horrible one. It's obviously the regular, like the ship kind of one. The ship sails, Corsair logo is there. At the top we have the macro record button, then it's the brightness button for the RGBs, and then it's the oh god, what's the last one? It says the scroll lock. So yeah, that's those are the 3 buttons at the top. And if you carry on going, you have like dedicated media controls on the top right corner, as you can see. Taking a look at the keys, this is a full-size keyboard, quality layout, as you can see. That's the regular one. On the left corner, they have 6 assignable, customizable macro keys, so G1, G2, so G keys or whatever you want to call them, which you can use with a macro record button. I'm going to show you how to do all that later on in this video. It's really simple. There's no software for this, which can be a pro and can be a con. It's like a pro because you just plug it in and play. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows or Mac, it works on everything, even though it just says on Windows. I'm using it on a Mac right now, so yeah. Other than that, so you've got the G keys. This is a membrane keyboard. I'm going to do a typing full test later, like a you know, you can hear it like a typing test kind of thing. As I was saying, it's a full keyboard. Obviously unlock, which I love, and if it doesn't really have raised feet, then it's kind of a con for me, but it's good. Has rubber feet as well if you're not using the raised ones, or just for the bottom corner. So there, the cable, there's no like cable, like you can't route the cable anywhere through the keyboard, and the cable is quite big, so you can have some good cable slack, but it's not really good for cable management. So what I did is I just routed the cable under the keyboard, because with the raised feet you can easily do that, and then into this drawer that I have under my table, so the wires aren't really visible. That's just how I do it. Now I've got a keyboard that matches my gaming mouse, because my gaming mouse is not Corsair, but I might be getting a Razer or Corsair one like this in the next couple of days, and I'll do an unboxing and review of that. But anyway, it's just like with the RGBs, and my full room is going to get RGB'd out. So yeah, the keys, I'm going to do that typing test later. The font on the keys I really like. With the Corsair has the big font. I love that font, and I just like it. So now what we're going to do is talk about all the RGB kind of functionality on this keyboard. So let's get this. So guys, as I was saying, there is no software for the lighting. So all you have to do is click some buttons on the keyboard and you're sorted. So I'm just going to demonstrate it by the magic of B-roll right now. So on your keyboard, it uses like a 3-zone layer. It doesn't take advantage of the 16.8 million colors that Corsair have on it, CUE or Corsair Utility Engine software. But anyway, as you can see, we have FN plus 1 is red, green and blue. FN plus 2 is yellow, cyan and purple. FN plus 3 is blue, cyan, red. FN plus 4 is purple, green, yellow. FN plus 5 is yellow, purple, cyan. FN plus 6 is green, blue, cyan. FN plus 7 is off, so the keyboard still works, but there's no RGBs, so if you don't want any RGBs, just forget about that. Just click FN plus 7 and you're sorted. FN plus 8 is like a solid color keyboard, and it allows you to cycle through them just by clicking FN plus 8. Keep clicking it, shows you all the different colors, which are, I'm not sure, there are 10 or something colors. I'm just going to count them. So I just counted them, so like 8 or 9 different colors, but as you can see, if you just cycle through them with FN plus 8, you can have a full solid color keyboard if you have like a themed color setup. Like a themed color setup, I mean, but like red and black or red and blue or whatever you want. You just sort it out with FN plus 8, which is going to be your best friend if you're doing that. FN plus 9 allows you to pulse through the solid colors, so like pulse goes green, then it goes black, then red, blah blah blah, just like that, which is called pulsing. FN plus 0 it is. It's just like a color changing effect. It's not pulsing or like really like fast like rainbow kind of thing, but it's just changing color slowly. And yeah, that's what FN 0 is. FN minus allows you to pulse the 3-zone like RGBs, as you can see on the screen right now. So you can have like the green blue cyan kind of thing, but it just keeps pulsing through F1. It pulses like FN plus 1, and then FN plus 2, FN plus 3, all of those that we went through. FN plus 1, FN plus 2, FN plus 3, FN plus 4, FN plus 5, FN plus 6. It just cycles through those via the pulse. And finally, my absolute favorite is the rainbow, which is the full like spiral real quick thing, but now it's doing the input lag because it's not quick. So what you have to do if it's not running on its full speed, well it should be, but I changed it, You go FN and then right arrow, as you can see right now. And yeah, that should sort it out and make it look less laggy, because it looks very laggy or slow.
I keep on searching for the words I wanna say. I'm hitting the bottle like a younger Hemingway. Hey, you're really something, am I interrupting? It looks like you wanna leave, for sure there is a way. I say you, me, dishes, bites and rollerblades. She says okay, and if
Right guys, so yeah, it's just that's how the rainbow one is. Obviously I recommend don't make it slower, as it has the lag, as you can when you look at it. Yeah, really, other than that, the build quality of this, it's a plastic keyboard, like the outside of it. It's very light. It says it is like a plastic $50 keyboard. It's not mechanical anyway. The reason it is $50 why Corsair is the switches. Well, there are no switches inside of it, so if I just take it off, you can see there's no switch inside of it. It's just empty. If you look at the Razer Ornata, which is like a like a competitor with it, double the price, doesn't really give you much different, but it has the Razer mecha membrane switches, which is like half of a mechanical and half a membrane kind of mixed together. But these are all like not full mechanical, as they are by Corsair with a really good price, or by Razer with a really good price. But obviously mechanical keyboards, you can get like the Razer Black Widow, or the Corsair K70 or K65, K95, they're all mechanical keyboards from these big brands. But yeah, that's really all I can show you. I'll show you how to just do the macro record button. So hold macro record, just click it, then it'll start flashing on the tab over there in white. Then you can click G1 or G2 or whichever one you want to program. So if it's G1, click G1, then type what you wanted to do. So if you wanted to say my name, which is Ali, you say ALI, and then click the macro record button again, which will stop recording it. And then just test it out by clicking G1, and Ali should pop on the screen. Or you can do it like a command to video editors or gamers or whatever. So I can make it like cut the video with FN and then whatever to do it. Just try it out on your own PC or laptop or whatever at home if you have this keyboard already. Some of the cons with this, obviously it's not mechanical. The wrist rest is not that comfy, but I actually like it. So, well, maybe it's like half con, half pro. It's like pro con. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. I really have no idea how to do the how to change the speed of this keyboard. So I'm just gonna find that out later, and probably drop it like in a text kind of thing via editing. Overall, this keyboard is freaking amazing, way better than my old keyboard, which is Logitech K120. No RGBs, no cool features, just regular keyboard. Up my game. Stay tuned for my setup video. And yeah, that's kind of about it for me. It's your boy AK signing off. Peace. Oh, no, I can't do that right now because I have to say smash the like button, subscribe, turn notifications if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more like this. Check out my previous tech videos, my previous Iraq vlogs and stuff like that in the card up there. And enter the giveaway that's currently on this month for my channel. And now I've done that, so that's kind of about it for me. It's your boy AK signing off. Peace out.
think you should.